What's up, guys? Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we have another sneaker unboxing. This one I'm actually really looking forward to. It's not something I kind of wanted on the Nike app. This wasn't even on sneakers, but I actually am pretty excited about it. I think it's going to be great for the summer, and also it's red, a little bit red, and I don't really have any red sneakers at all, and like two of my favorite sports teams are red, so I need something to go with them. And I've been looking at this model for a little bit that I really wanted a pair, and it just popped up one day. I think Kicks Finder on Twitter tweet out that it was restocking on the Nike app, so I tried it and I actually got it, which I was really happy about. I mean, it's not a sneakers release, not something crazy hype. I mean, resale is only like $150, so it's not like it's going for crazy. But it was $110. But I am happy to finally have something like this, and I think it would be perfect for summer, and hopefully for the rest of summer I will be wearing it. So let's get right into the unboxing. So it looks like Nike went back to their old boxes that aren't like the recyclable ones, maybe just for the non-sneaker releases. I don't like those boxes, especially if they use them to ship or sell them on something. They're not nearly as good. They didn't seem hold up very well, but they went back to the old box. I haven't actually owned a pair of this type of sneaker, but you guys will be able to tell pretty quick before I cut myself. Let's put that away. It is a Jordan 1 low, which I have no Jordan 1 lows. I assume this is a pretty standard box, but just black Jordan logo on it. But I actually really like these sneakers. They are the Jordan 1 low, I think Spade is what they're calling them. I've never had a pair of Jordan 1 lows. I've only had some highs. You guys see, if you can maybe see the few I have behind me. I think I only have 4 pairs, so I don't know if these are gonna be light enough for summer, but I have worn some high tops. I haven't worn too much of my Jordan 1 highs too much this summer, but these are the Jordan 1 Spades. They're red and white, kind of like Iron Man theme, really. I think the red is actually light fusion red, which is the same on the Jordan 1 high, the fusion red ones, but it's a little darker, which I don't mind. It's got this gold swoosh, and then on each of the tons it has just a Spade logo with the Jordan Jumpman and then Air Jordan on the back. This one has the Q for Queen, and this one has the King. The left sneaker has King, right sneaker has Queen. I think they're really good looking. They seem to be fairly decent quality. The leather doesn't feel like it's the softest. I assume this is leather. It doesn't not the craziest, not softest, but should be pretty good. Better than the pine greens that I have, but it's got this bandana print underneath. The red is the bandana print. I actually do really like these. I'll show you guys them on feet here in a second, but just red outsole, stuff like that. I think they're a good looking sneaker. That's why I picked them up. I haven't been getting anything really on sneakers, and nothing crazy, and these aren't crazy hyped like I said, but they are something that I was looking forward to. I think I did try to get them earlier. I didn't know when they released, and then they released just a couple days ago at the end of June, and I'm pretty happy with them. I'm definitely going to show you guys them off feet because these are definitely being kept. I was either going to return them or just keep them, so I think these are going to be kept, and hopefully they match with a lot of the red for Ohio State and the Red Wings, because they'd be perfect for that. The midsole is a little yellowed too, which I think is probably on purpose, but I think it actually makes it look a little better. It is a little cream and whatnot. So let me show you guys these on feet, and then I will wrap it up and tell you guys what I thought about them. These are the Jordan 1 low Spades. I was really hyped up on the lows last year. I just never picked any up because I couldn't find any of the cool colorways I want, but recently they have been going up a bit, so I'm really happy to get these for retail. Like I said, they're only going for $150 on StockX or something like that, but I think they're a good colorway. They just look good in my opinion. I like the lows. I want something especially because Jordan 1 highs are super popular, and mids even are getting more popular. I think lows, it probably goes highs, mids, or highs, lows, then mids. So then I was able to get a decent pair of lows. I was pretty happy about, because some of the ones I was looking at, I think I did like a sneaker video last year, and I put lows on there because you could find them for like $100. And now like some of those are like $200, $300, which is crazy. These aren't at that range, but these are pretty good. I think they're perfect for summer. I mean, if you guys want something to pick up for summer and you want something in like this colorway, I think it's pretty cool one to pick up. There obviously are like other colorways that are a lot more similar to Jordan 1 highs. They could pick up like court purples, shattered backboards, but if you want something a little different, I think this is a good one to pick up. Definitely something that I'm going to keep wearing this summer, and something I'm excited to wear in the future because it has the red, and I need some red sneakers. I was looking, probably trying to get like a Dunker or Jordan 1 low in reds, but these popped up, so I'm happy to get them. Definitely one I'm going to keep wearing all the time. Definitely not going to make it on shelf. Probably more like a daily sneaker, especially since it's not really expensive. But I'm happy to have them, and I think it's a good colorway. So if you guys want to pick them up, the Jordan 1 low Spades. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think of the sneakers in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.